Yo.
Pew. Pew. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. What's up, guys? I'm back after like over a month because we've been moving and had a whole lot of extravaganzas going on. I've been remodeling a Jeep like I told you guys before. Weather has been awful. So like every weekend, that's usually when I would go make a video. But it has been raining every weekend, every week. Snowing, storming, the typical Tennessee bipolar weather. So I have not been able to do anything on top of moving. But anyway, this is where you guys are probably going to see majority of the videos now instead of in my car in the beginnings. We're probably going to be here or at a location. So it's going to be new intros, especially new intros because I have some more things I'm working on that you guys are going to see. And by the way, this is me from the future pretty much because the next two videos you guys will see are previous videos we filmed before all the weather issues. But anyway, this video is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna show you guys around the place, kind of give you a tour of where I'm living now and just go at it that way. And yeah, cool, let's get out of the seat. Alright guys, so this is my lovely garage, and to show you guys what has taken up most of my time, don't disregard this fender here, but this beautiful Jeep right here, I've been remodeling it. And of course there's my motorcycle. We've just been moving all the things, and this is not a Jeep video, so we're gonna head back upstairs. I'm gonna show you there. Go. Alright, so here's the living room area. As you guys can see, I'll swap it around so you can see. There's the bench that we were just on. That's lovely. My TV, there's all my DVDs, just, you know, the lovely essentials and stuff like that. The room is a terrible mess because I have been unpacking, just to give you guys a little bit of a
pile of laundry.
A pile of laundry. Alright, so basically the biggest update that I have for everybody is I've been recording on this GoPro with a media mod, and I had a really itty bitty light mod with a really tiny mic also. So the video quality has not been the greatest, but I'm going from my GoPro to this camera. So hopefully my video footage will be a lot better for you guys. I'm gonna have a whole lot of different mods for this to steady my video footage and brighten it up more and just show you guys better quality in videos. And the light mod that I have now is pretty huge. So I'll show you guys. It's actually this giant, yeah, and we have a very bright flashlight too for some of the dark videos, but my light mod now is this, and it's going to be on this camera. And the light mod I had before, for just a reference, is like probably half the section size of this whole thing right here. Yeah, it's probably just fit right here in this little corner. That's how small it was. That's why some of my videos are really dark, but yeah, that's basically I got tongue tied. What am I trying to say right now?
This is basically what I wanted to show you in this video.
But that's basically what I wanted to show you in this video, is the new things that are coming, and more and improved videos, better footage, and
more regular updates.
More regular updates for sure. And better locations, because we have a fat list of locations.
Yes.
But alright guys, that's it for this video. I will say signing out from the future me because you're going to see some past videos. But alright guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.